airbag repair tutorial. The first step is to power the VCI. VCI automatically connects to E2 Pro with a beep when powered on. Ensure E2 Pro has network connectivity. Select component test, airbag repair, then vehicle brand. Select by airbag model code. Use upper right wiring guide to complete jumper cables connection. Finally, let OBD interconnect. You can read airbag ECU information, read DTC, clear DTC via special functions. You can find clear collision history for airbag repair. Then the airbag repair is successful.